Kainga family ko whakamalo lai atu kia te iki mō tolu. O mō mea mai e anon. Ao whiawhia mo e au whakau ko whawha au pito. Hei kai ke whiunga aku e whakamalo atu. Ka walu family, I am forever in deep to you. Ko oro whalai atu. E reo nei taimi e mole atu ai le anga whawhtai e losunga whawhengaina ma le whatua e ngata lea pa ia man malo reo whia sa mō bots e ara leo o e sumtalanga ona sa mō ari e vivia nuno atu iau pa ia e tolo e tolonra e ave nei taimi e mole atu ai ma whawhtai ia inga sewa ia inga ngalua ia mole whawana ina tau taimi ia matali mai mon mawina ma so fifia matali au ma au whelingi whatasi mai ni fiafi maurunga ni fiafi o tairo sunga whenga inga ia mo mea umalawa sa nia upu whamnianga ia tuina mai fo ima au e matute ola ai ia ma whawo e ma ainga. Ole atu e whaftai te le lawa e lo sunga lo whengainga ia ma whatu tu sa whai mare upo e umano loto e na wara matanga i si matua ainga. Ia ole e whaftai e se watu le si o tōku e wha umatu ma whaftai. Thank you.
Everyone. I'm going to keep it short and simple. I really like to thank everyone for coming out today. The weather hasn't been that great, but you guys still pulled through and I appreciate you guys for that. To my bridesmaids, thank you for putting up with all my mood swings. I know I was a bit up and down, especially to my maid of honor, who failed her duties and had one of the groomsmen take over. Oh, I thought you left. To the pastor, thank you very much for coming in last minute and taking in our requests. Today was absolutely beautiful and wouldn't have been possible without you, so we thank you for that. Catalina. Malalahi o si Italia kole. Ko ilo I pep kai kia hawhaho. Ka ke si ilo tala le pe ke si hao. Ko whakamaalolahi a ka koe. Ko si hao whai upuroto. To my Bauta family. Auntie Leola. None of this would have been possible without you. Words could never be enough to thank you. I know it's been a really rough month for all of us, especially you. But not once did you complain. You threatened me a lot, but not once did you complain. Even when you didn't agree to the way I had things set out, or agree to a certain color, you still went with what I wanted. And you made all of this possible for me. And I could never thank you enough. Yes, ilo I te ko whae, ko ni mawale. Laga peo, talahu. Whae peho loto. Ko whakamaalolahi a koe. Lusha, C, MJ, I could never thank you enough. 6 a.m. shifts, coming home, staying up until 2 in the morning, just to do what I wanted, what I needed. I could never. Dad, even when you would call and I would scream through the phone because I didn't agree with what you wanted. Even if you wanted something different, you would let it slide because you knew that I'm hard-headed just like you, and I will always fight for what I want. And I'm sorry that I put you through a lot with all this wedding prep, but thank you for loving us. For my family that came from afar, Sila, thank you. To my in-laws, I'm sorry if I ever fell short on anything. I apologize that I can't speak Samoan. I asked Sakaio to teach me, but he didn't teach it. Oi, you're still there. Thank you guys for coming out. We really appreciate you guys. Today would not have been possible without you. To my whakaatas, to Molly, Ako Molly, thank you so much for coming through. I know you just lost your wife, but you still came and supported me. And you've always been supporting me. Lani, Fia, thank you. I wish Auntie Mafa was here in person instead of on a shirt. But thank you. Thank you guys. I truly appreciate you.
Thank you to both of you. I'd like to welcome one of our ministers, Stoneman. He's a brother of mine. Say a few words before we can continue on.
Tapu ke awhio e au mare mano ni o tau lotolotonga, tangata Tonga, tangata Samoa, whaipeki i rea no whamaro, awhio e o tua e mea kotoa pē, whamaro waki pē ki he whamiri o ke pū, whamiri Sawaieke, whewhekau, Aotangi, e ke asika, me kotoa e whamiri Sawaieke. Whamaro ki he whangatokoua o ke pū, moenoa, i ki o murawa mai, i e ahoni, ke whai e whatongia ko eni. Whamaro eni ke whamiri kotoa peo Monalisa, Watsoni, Uki Kawaru, i kotoa e whamiri. Whamaro lai ke maheni, mo e tonga kotoa pe i e whiafko eni. Whamaro ke a Petero, ka masio no hoa mo e whamiri, i e hoa ko eni. Whamaro at ke sola mo e urangi, i lawa e whatongia ahoni. Whamaro ma ke heni ke masika maha no hoa, na si lawa mai me konua lahi, Australia, o uka e whatongia ahoni. Tupulaki, ka maa sek, ko e ngataanga e whai whatongia e whamiri, kia te kumoua, e ahoni. Oko atua ho mo kamata ho mo whamiri, i ko tala e whaiwhekau, i he kamata o tau wheo e ahoni. Ko hi ko e whamiri fōo ko mo whau, ke kamata pēa ka laisi isu. Ko ia o whalahi at kia te kumotoro ko tape, i he whainga maari ko e ni. Ua te whaatalo whaatu, e paia, maare, mamarua, tātou, poto renei, yafi. Whaatalofa, pa toa atu e, reau whainga aluenga, paia are, atua. Ua tātou, mafuta, Whatasi rene I tu aso e. Wafo ia I re ianga I re atua. Aua o ai re aua mafua ai. Ona tātou o to potoi. Rene aso. Talofa lava. Ua wha.
Thank you. Is there anyone from the Samoan wanted to say some word, speech or something? That's it. So we are coming to the end of our program for today. Get the DJ to play a few songs and then get everyone on the floor. Enjoy maybe 15 minutes or get out of here and go home. Enjoy. Bye-bye.